If you have plans to travel I-90 West on Saturday, you're going to want to add some extra travel time. Drivers will be kept off an 11-mile stretch of the interstate near St. Regis. That's because crews will be blasting to cut the risk of more avalanches coming down on the freeway. It was closed for just over 24 hours starting Wednesday afternoon. That's when slides came down across the westbound lanes in the canyon east of Lookout. Avalanche mitigation will be happening from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m., impacting both east and westbound traffic on Saturday.